हो गया
रोल रोल भाई रोल।
We'll do it both in English and Hindi.
साइलेंस प्लीज।
अरे ट्रांसफर लगेगा, चुप हो जाओ। अरे चुप हो जाओ यार, चुप हो जाओ यार।
एक पहले फोटोग्राफर वाले साथी जो हैं वो चले जाएंगे तो मैं शुरू करूंगा, क्योंकि आप वो बाकी सबको ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं।
તો મધ્યપ્રદેશમાં કોણ બનશે મુખ્યપ્રધાન તેના નામ પર મહોર વાગી ગઈ છે। તમને જણાવી દઈએ કે 17મી ડિસેમ્બરે કમલનાથ મુખ્યપ્રધાન પદના શપથ લેશે અને આ સમગ્ર કાર્યક્રમ લાલ પરેડ ખાતે યોજવામાં આવશે। તો રાજ્યપાલ આનંદીબેન પટેલ આ શપથ લેવડાવશે।
The verdict of the Supreme Court today, मैंने वो मानना नहीं है। आप पहले फोटो ले लीजिए फिर हम शुरू करेंगे। आप ले लीजिए ना,
ले लेना बाद में यार तुम।
आप ले लीजिए फिर हम शुरू कर लेंगे। एक मिनट, आप भी फोन बंद करेंगे तो मैं शुरू कर पाऊंगा। Friends, the verdict of the Supreme Court today is a validation of what the Congress party stated months ago, particularly on 15th of November 2018, that Supreme Court is not the forum to decide the issue of such sensitive defense contract. Please remember, and I have circulated those proceedings in writing to you. I had said that Article 136 and Article 32 are not the forum to decide the issue, the pricing, the process, the sovereign guarantee, and the corruption in the Rafale contract. The only media, the only forum is a joint parliamentary committee which should probe the entire corruption in the Rafale deal, find out and decide who are the person who are accused, and then the process of law must be in motion. What the government presented to the Supreme Court was one-sided, half-baked information on an unsigned affidavit, which was not scrutinized by anybody, nor was it in public domain. We have maintained from day go, and that's why Congress party chose and decided never to go to Supreme Court or invoke its jurisdiction. We went to Parliament, and even today we are in Parliament demanding a JPC. We went to CAG, which is the other forum where this matter can be examined. And if government has nothing to hide, if Modi ji and his government has committed no corruption, then I challenge him today on behalf of the Indian National Congress to submit to a JPC probe which will examine the notings on the file, which will examine and question the Prime Minister and all the Defence Ministry officials, and which will then prove unequivocally as to how a systematic corruption guided by the highest echelons of power happened in Rafale deal. Supreme Court cannot decide that process, and we thank the Supreme Court that they have rightfully said so. And I quote the Supreme Court from para 12. They have said it was made clear that issue of pricing or matters relating to technical suitability of the equipment would not be gone into by the court. They have again said in para 15 that we are constricted by our power of judicial review. They have again said in para 34 that our judgment is purely from the standpoint of our power under Article 32. Please read the ICC proceeding and statement of 15th of November. I have said all the three things, and I'm just reading for you what I said then, and I quote, सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में राफेल की सुनवाई से संबंधित एक अन्य प्रश्न के उत्तर में श्री सुरजेवाला ने कहा, कांग्रेस पार्टी सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं गई है क्योंकि पहले दिन से ही आप याद करिए मेरी सब पत्रकार वार्ताओं में आप मौजूद रहते हैं। हमने कहा कि इस सारे विवाद में फाइल नोटिंग्स पढ़नी पड़ेंगी। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के समक्ष न तो ये फाइल नोटिस पढ़ सकते क्योंकि वो सिविल सूट नहीं है, न कोई इंक्वायरी सुप्रीम कोर्ट कर सकती। आर्टिकल 136 के अंतर्गत संवैधानिक ताकतों का इस्तेमाल सुप्रीम कोर्ट कर